It's finally time to test ride the Harley. It's not really a $400 Harley anymore. Tape up these grips. I remember doing this as a kid when my grips got sticky. Give a little choke. Kicking to it. Sounds pretty good other than that little tick. Well, that was pretty uneventful. It's only a couple miles over here, but she ran good.
I will let you.
Cheers. That was a great ride over here. Harley seems to be running good. It has a little bit of a shimmy, not like a shimmy, but just a little instability. I'm thinking it's the tires. Those tires are pretty bad on there. I'm actually surprised and kind of glad they made it all the way over here. Engine runs fine, feels fine, but it has a little bit of a tick. So I don't know. I got to do some research and see if those lifters are adjustable. Has good power. I haven't really ridden that many Harleys, so I don't really know what to compare it to. I'll have to get my brother and my buddy over here. We'll have a race. It's not really a $400 Harley anymore. It's coming up on a $600 Harley. I had to pay $100 for some paperwork, and that's not even the DMV fees yet. That's just to get my foot in the door. I bought an ignition, bought a battery, and I bought some new grips. Sticky rubber grips. Oh man, there's nothing worse. I'm gonna need to order a fuel valve too. That one's just leaking just ever so slightly. The clutch felt good and the engine's got great power. Idle's good. It takes off from the stop signs, I think like a Harley should. I'm really pleased. I gotta see if I can clean this thing up a little bit for my ride home. I get that fog light off of there and maybe take off that little sissy bar. It's gonna look pretty good. I didn't really know what I was getting into when I went and got this thing. $400 and I knew I had to have it. But she's already growing on me. She's got enough patina on her that if I played my cards right, I think I could have a pretty nice little rat rod. Do something with the handlebars, maybe get a single seat on it. Big gauge cluster here. If I could get that eliminated, I think that would go a long ways. Well, my beer's all gone and the sun is set. Time to head for home.